Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into two mascaras from Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift, Volumizing Lengthening Lifting Curling Mascara, and the Lash Sensational Lengthening Volumizing Mascara. If you've been hunting for the perfect mascara that delivers both volume and length without clumping, or if you're just looking to step up your lash game, stay tuned. First, let's break down what these mascaras are offering. The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara claims to deliver an instant lash lift effect, using a fiber-infused formula that promises dramatic volume, length, and curl. The double-curved lifting brush grabs lashes from the root, helping to thicken and lengthen them without clumping. On the other hand, the Lash Sensational Mascara features a unique fanning brush with 10 layers of bristles, which helps to reveal layers of lashes and create a full fan effect. It's designed to volumize and lengthen lashes from root to tip, and like the Falsies Lash Lift, it also promises no clumping. I tested both mascaras for a few weeks now, applying them to see how they hold up in different situations, whether I'm getting ready for a workday or a night out. For the Falsies Lash Lift, the first thing I noticed is the ease of application. The curved brush definitely makes it easier to reach the roots and lift each lash. I could see the lift almost immediately, and I was impressed with how my lashes appeared fuller and more defined. However, I did find that it's best to build up the layers carefully, as applying too much too quickly can lead to a slightly clumpy finish, especially if you're not using a comb or lash separator. The Lash Sensational Mascara, on the other hand, surprised me with how easily it defined each lash. The 10 bristle layers really helped to separate them, giving that fanned-out look without clumping. I also noticed that my lashes were more lengthened than volumized, so it was a bit more natural looking compared to the Falsies Lash Lift. If you're going for a more subtle lash enhancement, this would be your pick. I wore both mascaras in different weather conditions, and both held up well, with no smudging or flaking throughout the day. The only downside is that removal can be a little tricky. You definitely need a good makeup remover, especially for the Falsies Lash Lift. Let's talk pros and cons. Starting with the Falsies Lash Lift, its volume and curl are impressive, and the formula does a great job of thickening and lengthening. However, you'll need to be careful with layering to avoid any clumps. On the plus side, it gives a dramatic look that really opens up the eyes. The Lash Sensational is fantastic for everyday wear, delivering clean, separated lashes with great length. It doesn't offer the same volume as the Falsies Lash Lift, but it's definitely a more natural option. Now let's talk value for money. Both mascaras come at a great price point, especially for the quality they deliver. Given their accessibility and performance, they both represent solid value for the price. The Falsies Lash Lift might be a little higher, but for that instant lift and bold volume, I think it's worth it for anyone looking for dramatic lashes. Comparing the two, the Falsies Lash Lift is for those who want that bold, lifted lash look, while the Lash Sensational is better for those who prefer a more natural, separated lash effect. It really depends on your personal preference and the look you're going for. As for build quality, both mascaras come in sleek, sturdy packaging. The brushes are easy to use, and the formulas are long-lasting. You won't have to worry about touching up during the day, and both mascaras are ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact lens wearers, which is a huge plus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on them, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had to reach out to Maybelline, but they have a solid reputation for responding to customer queries promptly, and they are widely available in stores and online. There haven't been any recent updates or reformulations for these mascaras, but Maybelline is known for consistently improving and innovating in their makeup line. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely other great options in the market at similar or lower prices, like L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise, or even some of the other mascaras from Maybelline, like the Great Lash series, which offer great performance for a fraction of the price. In conclusion, both mascaras offer great value and performance for their price. The Falsies Lash Lift is perfect for anyone wanting a bold, lifted lash look, while the Lash Sensational is better for those who prefer a more natural, lengthened effect. If you're after something more dramatic, go for the Falsies Lash Lift. If you want subtle length and separation, the Lash Sensational is your go-to. Thank you for watching. If you've used either of these mascaras, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.